Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Glenn and these are the headlines. Vasco police arrest 2 shooters in the Bogmalo killing, 2 more being interrogated. Anjuna angle, other motives besides property being probed. PM Modi stresses on special focus on micro-containment zones, strategy of test, track, treat and vaccination. Promises financial help to badly hit states. Nilesh Kavral challenges Arvind Kejriwal for a debate on the Delhi electricity model versus the Goa model. Says Delhi giving sops by taking loans. Now for the news in detail. Vasco police have nabbed the 2 shooters and zeroed down on another 2 in the sensational Bogmalo shooting of Amar Naik. The 2 shooters were allegedly brought down from Mumbai to assassinate Amar. Police, after initial talk of it being a property-related shooting, are now investigating other angles, including a love interest.
2 accused came in a rent-a-cab car, apparently from Anjuna. The deceased Amar Naik and his friend Pritesh Kuttikar came in an Innova car at the spot. A property owner too was initially there. After the meeting, as Amar and his friend were relaxing, the 2 went to the car, brought their weapons and shot at the Amar first. At seeing his friend shot, the other person Kuttikar pushed the shooters and ran to the closest house. At this, the 2 took off in the car. However, they lost control and the car crashed. Then they ran off. Police laid out a huge dragnet and managed to nab them in the wee hours of Friday on the railway tracks near Kasalim.
Yesterday, after the case was registered, we had formed multiple teams, and all the teams they scanned the area and did combing operations. And in the wee hours today, that is in the morning hours, we were able to arrest both the assailants who were involved in yesterday's case. Their names are Shubham Singh and Shailesh Gupta. They are natives of Uttar Pradesh and they both live in Mumbai. They work in as a crane operator and as a part-time driver respectively. And they came to Goa on the invitation of one of their friends, whose name we are further investigating into. And when they had visited the place twice, one on around 7th and 8th of July, and one was yesterday. It was on a pretext of purchasing a property from the deceased, and they, on that pretext, they had called the deceased and his friend. Postmortem the deceased has been done today, and we have also subjected the vehicle to the FSL examination, and we have recovered a few articles from the vehicle. That includes the empty cartridges and the fired lead. And we have got police custody remand of both the accused for 7 days. So they are being further interrogated, and we hope to make the whole story clear. The motive is being ascertained, and the persons, there is a possibility that more persons are also involved in the conspiracy. And once we put all the pieces together, we will share the details.
सर ये सुपारी किलिंग कब कर रहा था या इसके पीछे अंडरवर्ल्ड का हाथ है क्या, मतलब उस पर थोड़ा
As I said, let us interrogate both the accused properly, thoroughly. Only once we ascertain all the details and the motive, then we will be able to share.
So how long they have been in Goa, sir?
As I said that they came twice. They had met, they were meeting the deceased for the second time. So they had come earlier also, around 7-8 days back.
सर और भी कुछ लोगों को इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए कलंगुट अंजुना से लाया है क्या?
अभी because they had stayed here, so we are investigating into all of their activities while they were in Goa. So as to ascertain the details of the the planning and the motive.
So beside these two accused, main accused, how many are arrested right now?
Sorry?
और
Beside
कितने हो
और
सकते
कितना
हैं?
मैंने जैसे कहा कि अभी हम पूरा उनको जो सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स हैं उसको हम सबको मिला रहे हैं, उसके बाद ही हम शेयर कर पाएंगे। और मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया कि कुछ और लोगों की भी इसमें गिरफ्तारी हो सकती है।
सर एक्यूज ने कहीं कहा है कि उन लोग उसको मारने के लिए आए थे, क्या कुछ खटपट हो गया और उन्होंने उनको खून कर दिया, क्या है?
नहीं, वो इसीलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ कि वो एक बार जब पूरा हम सीक्वेंस बना लेंगे उसी के बाद शेयर कर पाएंगे।
Amar Naik from New Wadem and his friend Pritesh Kuttikar and the two apparently met a couple of times before the fateful day. They apparently lured in by the assailants on the pretext of a property deal. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant praised the police for quick action while the opposition leader Digambar Kamath criticized the law and order situation in the state.
जेणी फायरिंग केल्ली त्या दोगांय मनशांक आमी विदीन 24 hours अरेस्ट केले। हांव म्हज्या सगळ्या पुलिसेचें कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन करता। दोज आर म्हणजे सामके खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन काम करता आनी खूब बेगीन, कारण पुलिसांचेर लोकांक जे टिका करता ताका टिका करपाक खूब सोंपें। खंयचोय क्रायम जाता बट तो क्रायम डिटेक्शन विदीन 24 hours जाता पळय न्हय, आनी वी वॉन्ट टू कॉंग्रेच्युलेट द पुलीस। क्रायम कोण करता हें पुलिसेच्या हातान कांय नासता, but crime detection हे पुलिसेच्या हातान असता।
So Vasco and Goa destroyed the Zero.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The national highways in Goa are in pitiable condition. To travel on the NH66 Western Bypass Junction and NH 748 Boring Bridge have become very risky for motorists, especially for two-wheelers and when it is raining. Both the highways have exposed the lack of monsoon preparedness and the shoddy work done by authorities. Not only that, but the internal roads in villages and even cities is very bad.
This is the Boring Bridge. This is another crucial bridge after the Zuari Bridge, especially as the Zuari Bridge is not in very good condition, and until the new 8-lane Zuari Bridge is complete, the Boring Bridge is handling the heavy traffic that would otherwise go over the Zuari Bridge. Heavy vehicles ply on this road to go to South Goa or to Karnataka as they are prohibited on Zuari Bridge. However, the Boring Bridge is not in good condition. In many ways, it looks even more feeble than Zuari Bridge. Repeated maintenance works are being on this bridge. Craters are being seen on the bridge as the tar has peeled off at many places. Even the steel rods are exposed, which look quite scary. Goa 365 spoke to a member of the local panchas on the issue. Listen to what he has to say.
गेली आम्ही 4-5 वर्ष जाली पळयतात की दर वर्सा बोरये पुलाक पावस आयलो की फोंडकूल पडटा आनी ताची सोरी बी सगळी दिसपाक लागता आनी ते मागीर कोल्ड मिक्स म्हणून घालता। तो कोल्ड मिक्स कितें तें आमकां खबर ना, पूण तो एक वर्स सुद्दां उरना आनी परिस्थिती अशी जाता की कोल्ड मिक्स म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता तो पावसा उदका बरोबर व्हांवन वचपाचो। परिस्थिती अशी जाल्या तो पुलाची की हेवी ट्रॅफिक सगळे कुट्टाळच्यान बंद करून बोरयेच्यान सोडलां आणि बाकीचे तरी तातूंत आमी बोवाळ घालून हो रस्तो 5 वर्सां नंतर तिणें हॉटमिक्स केलो, पूण बोरये पुलार तिणें कांयच केलें ना। म्हजी तर अशी मागणी आसा आमची की ताका फूल तो टोटल कॉन्क्रीट करपा जाय। ते कॉन्क्रीट जो आसा पुलार आनी ताजेर हे मातशे पॉट होल्स म्हणटा आनी ताजेर ते कोल्ड मिक्स म्हणून घालता आनी तो दर वर्सा ताजी परिस्थिती हीच जाता की मोठे मोठे फोंडकूल पडल्या पुलार आनी ताजी सरी दिसपाक लागल्या आनी एक मोठी दुर्घटनाय जावपाक शकता। ताजे पयलीं सरकारान हाजेर कितें तरी उपाय करपा जाय। म्हणजे आमचें तर मत आसा की ते पॉट होल्स जे आसा ते कॉन्क्रीट घालून फिलिंग करपाक जाय। ताजे हात पांय मोडटलो समजून आनी इवन फाटी कड्याक किंवा मानेक त्रास जावपाक शकता। मागीर एकदम गाडी जशी फोंडकुलां पडली आनी तूं चुकोवंक शकना फोंडकुलां। फुडले सायडीच्यान गाडी येतरी येवच्यान तर ट्रॅफिक फूल चालू आसता, हेवी ट्रॅफिक आनी येता, तातूंत जीव मोठी घेवन टू व्हिलरांनी वचचें पडटा।
This is Western Bypass Junction at Naveli. Here, the Western Bypass meets National Highway. However, the whole system is very confusing for motorists as there is no circle at the junction. Just few drums placed on road to guide vehicles. During monsoon, it has become quite a mess. Ironically, the patchwork for this National Highway was done some 3 months back. However, following the heavy rains, the asphalt has washed off and potholes are back again. This has exposed the quality of work done by contractor and lack of supervision by the PWD. Also, a huge pond has appeared on the road. Vehicles have to carefully maneuver near this pond in bid to avoid serious tragedy.
हो रस्तो आता पयर केल्लो म्हणजे म्हाका दिसता की मे म्हयन्याक केल्लो आसतलो हो रस्तो सारको आणि आज जर पळयलें जर जायत ह्या रस्त्याची दशा जाला आता गाडी काडटा तेन्ना थंयच्यान तूं व्हडी जशें दर्या भितर आसतना जाता पळय लाराचेर हालता पळय तशी तुगे गाडी सामकी वांकडी तिकडी जाता हांगा आनी जर एक 10-15 दिसांनी हांगा रस्तो म्हणटा चिजू उरपाना फक्त थंय व्हळा भशेन उदक व्हांवतलें हांगच्यान इतलें उदक भरिल्लें आहा थंय सद्याक की तुका रोड म्हणटा खंय म्हणटा कांयच कळना सद्याक सो परिस्थिती सामकी बिकट आसा सरकारान इतले पयशे खर्च करून जे रस्ते केलात आय थिंक दीज कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स नीड्स टू बी पिनलायज की ते रस्ते करता ते जर पयले पावसा जर व्हांवन वचपा लागले आनी अजून पावस आमगेलो अर्दान जालो ना आमी जुलयाच्या 15 तारखे आहात सप्टेंबर पर्यंत पावस पडपाचो गोंया भितर ती हाल हेजे कितें जातले रस्त्याचे हे कोणाच्यान सांगपा जायना आता म्हळ्यार वर्स्ट सिच्युएशन स्कूटर गाडी तरी कशी तग मारतली पण स्कूटरवाले आणि बारीक जे आहा पळय न्ही ते सामके हेतून भितर फोंडा पडपाची अशी परिस्थिती आसा PWD मिनिस्टरान हे सगळे येवन पळोवपा जाय आणि हाजेर जर मातशी जर सुकसार पडली जर जायत जाल्यार एटलिस्ट ते खड्डे बुजोवपाचें काम करपाचें निदान तितली जरी केली जर जायत ते गोंयची जनता तांकां धन्यवाद दितली हे सगळे जाग्यार पडपा ह्या सरकारा मदीं शक्यच ना ह्या सरकाराची ती ऐपत ना ह्या सरकाराची ती कुवत ना सगळी सारकी करपाची तांणी फक्त आतां जे कितें हाजे वयर मलमपट्टी जी करपाची पळय ताजे खातीर तांणी मातशें हे फोंड भरली जाल्यार सामान्य जनता जे स्कुटरीन भोंवता पळय तांकां एटलिस्ट मातशे त्रास जावपाचे कमी जातले गाडयेन भोंवता तांकां आमी त्रास आसाच हे पूण मातशे तरी कमी जातले हे करपा जाय तांणी
फाटले रस्त्याचेर तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा की 2 हायवेचो संगम कसो जाता आनीक ह्यो ज्यो गाडी हितूंतल्यान वयतात तांकां त्या संगमाचो कितें फायदो जाता हो आमच्या फाटल्यान तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा गोवा 365 खातीर नावेली साकून रमेश नायक रावत.
This is the heart of Margao. The road leading to it is full of potholes. The patchwork was done before monsoon. However, due to heavy rain, some patches have washed off. The potholes have now lined up along the road. The gravel has come out of the potholes and loose gravels could lead to some serious mishaps for two-wheelers. Ironically, this road is right opposite Margao municipality building.
सध्या मडगांव जे पळय कितें चल्लां तें खरोखरच म्हणजे मनाक पटना हें मनाक पटना म्हणजे आयज पळय ती थोडे म्हयने जाले पयलीं हे आमचे बाबा आमदारांनी सगळे नवे रस्ते आसफाल्ट करून घेतलेले पूण ह्या पावसान आतां 2 म्हयने जालो पावस पडलो आनी ते सगळे चडशे रस्ते आसा ते व्हांवून गेल्ले आसा हातूंत म्हणटा तर जेन्ना पळय आमदार आमचो इनवॉल्ड आसता जावं नगरसेवक इनवॉल्ड आसता तांणी हाजी क्वॉलिटी कशी आसा रस्त्याची PWD इंजिनियर आसा हांचे कडल्यान बरे क्वॉलिटीचे रस्ते आमकां दिवपा जाय रस्त्यार अशे तरेचे खड्डे पडलेले आसा की तातूंत जर एक सामान्य मनीस जो सायकल घेवन जावं जो स्कूटर घेवन वता तांकां कितले त्रास जाता हे ते उबे रावतकीर कळटा सो सरकारान हाजे मुखार जें पळय कितें पळय इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलप करता ते बरे क्वॉलिटीचे आमकां दिवपा जाय आनी स्पेशली हे रस्ते जे पळय आसा हातूंत सामान्य मनीस मरता फाल्यां खंयचो मनीस जो पळय स्कूटरवालो पडोन मरता ताका तकलेक मार लागून हातपांय मोडून हॉस्पिटलांत उरता सो नम्र विनंती आसा म्हजी सरकारा कडेन गोंय PWD कडेन की गोंयकारांक बरे रस्ते दिया.
मडगांव वाठारांतल्या सगळ्या रस्त्यांक पयले तुमी जे रस्त्याचे वयर बारीक बारीक खणकोलां पडिल्ली आसा पावसान जे वर्सानूच हे प्रॉब्लेम आसता की पावस पडलो काय ते वयले लेयर आसा ते व्हांवन वता आनी खणकुलां पडटा ह्या खणांचो 4 व्हिलर वाल्यांक तशेंच 2 व्हिलर चलयता तांकां त्रास जाता 4 व्हिलर गाडयो आसा तांचे कितें जाता शॉक ऑफ जावप आनी कितें अशें गाडयेक तांकां प्रॉब्लेम येता आनी हो खर्च जाता जशें जे 2 व्हिलर गाडी चलयता तांच्या कमरेकाक म्हणजे बॅकबोन प्रॉब्लेम जावपाक शक्यता आसा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकर
गोवा 365 खातीर नावेली साकून रमेश नायक रावत.
The Power Minister Nilesh Kabral challenged the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to a debate on the Delhi model of electricity versus the Goa model. He said that the Delhi government was giving sops by taking loans, increasing the heat after the much discussed announcement by AAP on electricity. Here are the details.
आप आदमीचो पार्टीचो चीफ मिनिस्टर दिल्लीचो येवन हांगा कितें तरी फुकट दिता म्हूण सांगून म्हाका दिसता लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाचो प्रयत्न करता हीच गोश्ट म्हाका दिसता हांवें फाटीं 1-1.5 वर्सां पयलीं असोच आनी कोण येयल्लो आनी हीच गोश्टी सांगलेल्यो आनी म्हाका दिसता तांकां आजुनूय तें सुदरोंक ना की आमकां ज्यो गोश्टी गोंयांक आनी गोंयकारांक म्हत्वाच्यो आहा ह्यो गोश्टी तेणी करूंक ना. एवरी इयर 300-400 कोटी जी आसा मिनिमम is being given as subsidy to the entire section of society including commercial units. आमकां रीण वाडोवपाचें ना. हांवें आतां सांगलां मरे तो चड्डा म्हणटालो पळय तो चड्डा येवन म्हाका MLA बाब चड्डा म्हणटालो की तूं डिबेट कर. ताका पयलीं 26,000 कोटीचे पयलीं रीण फारीक करून म्हाजे कडेन डिबेट करपाक यो म्हूण सांग नंबर 1. प्लस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाचे जे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गव्हर्मेंट हॅज ओज डिस्कॉम्स 20,000 crores ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो यू कॅनॉट माउंट डेब्स. अरे फुकट कशें दिवंक मेळटा. लायट कोण फ्री दिवंक शकता. आमी 50% सोलर सबसिडी दिता मरे लोकांक जनरेट करपाक आनी आय एम हॅप्पी. आतां वी हॅव टच ऑलमोस्ट लास्ट टायम 18 आतां वी आर गोइंग टू टच बाय द एंड ऑफ दीस इयर टू ऑलमोस्ट 30 megawatts ऑफ पावर. इट्स अ अचीवमेंट फॉर दीस गव्हर्मेंट by giving this. This is what we can do. Free how he is giving, why he cannot give by taking a ring and a loan and outstanding. I don't want to give. My Dr. Pramod Sawant Sarkar does not want to give like this. We are balancing. Electricity department also gives subsidies to the tune of 300 to 400 crores. आता breakup दिला कसो दिता ते. Everybody is benefited in the subsidy. ते पै सांगता आमचे गोंयचे बजट हमारा दिल्ली का बजट इतना 30,000 crores है. गोवा का बजट 16,000 करोड़ है. जो हमारा 16,000 करोड़ में हम बराबर काम करते हैं. 30,000 करोड़ में वो लोन लेके वो लोन बढ़ाते हैं. ये मातशें तेजें लक्ष घालपाक लाय की लास्ट टायम हांवें कंपेर केल्लें विथ प्रूफ. आजुनूय म्हाका कंपेर करपाचें विथ प्रूफ आसा आनी केजरीवाल गोंयांत आसा आनी वॉन्ट्स टू डिबेट ऑन दीस बिल्स. नो आय एम देयर टुडे विथ हिम.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The 3-day assembly session will begin from 28th of July. A business advisory meeting was convened on Friday in this regard.
The monsoon session is usually a long one. Various issues are discussed during this session in depth. However, the opposition is up in arms as session is kept to only for 3 days. There are 7 Zira mentions, 4 calling attentions. Minister for Legislative Affairs said if needed, government is ready to call assembly session in October.
Today the situation is not that bad what it was that time. See, even when that situation was there, we had conducted I think house for 4 days or 5 days. Now our demand was, you had prorogued the house in between, saying that some ordinances are required to be issued. We said, your prorogation of the house is the prerogative of the government, that is all right. But now when you have called for the house, you have called it for only 3 days, which is against the unanimous decision taken in presence of the speaker. And you have listed this much business, see. 16 bills are enlisted in 3 days time. Again they are making a mistake of taking government business on private members' day. In the last assembly session, in the last business advisory committee, there was a total consensus that private members' day shall be reserved only for private members.
हो एक फार्स. स्पिकरान टोकॅनिझम सरकारान जे फुडें हाडला. सरकारान गोंय पावणेर काडला. लूटमार चालू आहा आनी हे लूटमार डिफेंड करपाक सरकार असमर्थ जाला. सरकाराच्यान डिफेंड करूंक जायना. गव्हर्मेंट हॅज लॉट टू हायड. And the speaker is becoming a tool in the government's hands to reduce the session, which is a breach, which is a contempt of the house. In the house, solemnity of the house, the promise was given that 9 days of the session and the ongoing 10th day would be postponed to 17th. म्हळ्यार फाल्यां 17 जुलैक सेशन परतें सुरवात जावपाचें आशिल्लें. कोविडा खातीर बंद केलें. आता फाल्यां सेशन कांय जायना. सेशन जाता 28 तारखेक. 28 तारखेक जे सेशन जातलें, हें जे सेशन एंड ऑफ द मंथ जातलें, हें सेशन 10 दीस जावंक जाय आशिल्लें तें 3 दीस केलां.
Amar Chavri and William Rodriguez for Got 365 from Secretariat.
Now for some weather. Goa has been getting some wet weather resulting in a lot of flooding. This increased rainfall activity is likely to continue up to the 20th of July, the Met Department had forecast. Possible reasons could be a cyclonic circulation over East Vidarbha and the neighborhood extending up to 4.5 kilometers above the mean sea level and the offshore trough at mean sea level of the Karnataka-Kerala coast.
ये हम देख रहे हैं पिछले 24 आवर्स में यानी कि 8:30 AM ऑफ 16 जुलाई को फॉर द पास्ट 24 आवर्स रेनफॉल जो रिपोर्ट हुआ गोवा के डिफरेंट स्टेशनों से वो हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टेशंस अराउंड 6 सेंटीमीटर नहीं तो हेवी रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया. सबसे हाईएस्ट रिपोर्ट किया गया वालपोई से जो कि 82 mm 8 सेंटीमीटर्स. पेरनेम से भी 8 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल हुआ. मपसा से 79 mm विच इज़ अगेन क्लोज टू 8 सेंटीमीटर. मरमगांव, दाबोली, कानकोन, केपेम ये सब स्टेशनों से 6 सेंटीमीटर और 7 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया और सांगे मरगांव में अराउंड 5 सेंटीमीटर रेनफॉल भी रिपोर्ट किया गया. तो आज के दिन ऑन 16th ऑफ जुलाई अगर हम देखेंगे तो स्टेट एवरेज क्यूमुलेटिव टोटल जो है 16% हायर दैन नॉर्मल है. 167 सेंटीमीटर है जो एक्चुअल क्यूमुलेटिव स्टेट एवरेज रेनफॉल गोवा के लिए. आज के दिन के वेदर सिस्टम्स को हम देखेंगे जो गोवा के ऊपर रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यू कर सकता है. तो पहला वाला है एक सर्कुलेशन जो अभी नॉर्थ मध्य महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर है. कल वो था विदर्भ के ऊपर और वो ईस्टवर्ड वेस्टवर्ड मूव होके आज नॉर्थ मध्य महाराष्ट्र के ऊपर है. और एक ऑफशोर ट्रफ जो था कल उसका भी एक्सटेंशन बढ़ा है, वो आज नॉर्थ महाराष्ट्र कोस्ट से नॉर्थ केरला कोस्ट तक है. और फाइनली एक ईस्ट वेस्ट शीयर जोन जो था कल वो साउथ में और आके आज 15 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड के ऊपर है. और हम देख सकते हैं एक क्लाउड बैंड उसके कारण अराउंड 15 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड 14 to 15 डिग्री लैटिट्यूड में क्लाउड बैंड उसके कारण फॉर्म हुआ है जो रेनफॉल दे सकता है गोवा में 24 आवर्स के लिए. और ये रडार इमेज है और हम देख सकते हैं अभी के लिए प्रेजेंटली एट अराउंड 3 PM देयर इज नो सिग्निफिकेंट क्लाउड ओवर गोवा. लेकिन आने वाले टाइम पे यानी कि विद इन 5 to 6 आवर और 4 to 5 आवर्स क्लाउड्स बन सकते हैं और रेनफॉल एक्टिविटी कंटिन्यू हो सकता है गोवा के ऊपर. तो आज ऑन 16th ऑफ जुलाई ये है वेदर वार्निंग्स गोवा के लिए इशू किया गया. 4 दिन पहले ही ये इशू किया था कि अप टू अराउंड 20th जुलाई वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल यानी कि रेनफॉल एक्सीडिंग 11.5 सेंटीमीटर इज गोइंग टू बी देयर ओवर गोवा अप टू 20th. तो वही कंटिन्यू किया है वार्निंग आज के दिन भी. वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल स्कैटर्ड टू आइसोलेटेड स्पेशल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में यानी कि 50% to 25% डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में पॉसिबल है अप टू 20th जुलाई तक. उसमें भी 19th जुलाई तक स्कैटर्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पॉसिबल है और 20th को स्लाइट रिडक्शन होके आइसोलेटेड वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल पॉसिबल है. और सारे दिनों में स्कैटर्ड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में हेवी रेनफॉल यानी कि रेनफॉल एक्सीडिंग 6.5 सेंटीमीटर्स पॉसिबल है. और सेम वार्निंग है महाराष्ट्र कोस्ट और गुजरात कोस्ट के लिए भी. और फिशरमैन वार्निंग अगर हम देखेंगे तो along and off the coast of Goa squally weather as well as winds of speed 40 to 50 kilometers per hour gusting up to 60 kilometers per hour इस फोरकास्टेड. ये 500 दिनों में अप टू 60 किलोमीटर तक गस्टिंग हो सकता है विंड का along and off the coast. So fishermen are requested not to venture into sea and also these highlighted areas during the next 5 days. All this information is available on IMD's website. Please be regularly updated with the warnings and forecasts issued by IMD on a regular basis.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa365 TV. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.